Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix you can't use PayPal anymore. This common issue often arises from account limitations or security concerns. First, check your PayPal account for any notifications or emails explaining the problem. You might need to verify your identity by uploading documents like a government-issued identification or proof of address. Addressing these initial steps promptly is crucial for a swift resolution. Once you've identified the reason for the limitation, the next step is to provide all requested information. This often involves submitting documents through the Resolution Center. Ensure all uploads are clear and legible. PayPal typically reviews these within a few business days, but sometimes it can take longer. Be proactive and respond to any further inquiries to keep the process moving forward. While your account is under review, you might need to use an alternative payment method for transactions. To prevent future limitations, always keep your account information, such as your address and phone number, up to date. Also, familiarize yourself with PayPal's user agreement and acceptable use policy. Adhering to these guidelines helps maintain a healthy account status and avoids unexpected disruptions. If you've followed all the steps and your account remains limited, it's time to contact PayPal support directly. The Resolution Center is a good starting point for managing specific cases. For more immediate help, call their customer service line. Have your account details and a clear description of your issue ready. This will help the representative assist you more efficiently and potentially resolve your problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.